Hi Janus family, and today I bring to you the retrofittable conversion kit by Janus International. And today we'll talk about some of the key functionalities and benefits of this product. The container currently has two swing doors. We take the swing doors off the product, leaving an open aperture. We then introduce the header panel to the top of the solution, and then again affixing our side plates, ensuring that security is the key feature here. We then introduce our bottom threshold, making sure that no water ingress gets inside that unit. And then we introduce into our 650R roller door. And most importantly, you can now change the way that you lock your devices by moving towards Nokē Digital Smart Entry, ensuring that your customer has the best experience.